Have you ever wondered how to bring your garden to life as early as possible in spring? With the right selection of plants, you can enjoy vibrant blooms and lush foliage way before summer makes its grand entrance. Today, we're diving into Spring Bloomers, 30 early blooming perennials and shrubs for the spring garden. From the delicate whispers of early flowering bulbs to the robust splashes of color from perennials and shrubs, we'll guide you through the best picks to ensure your garden is a springtime paradise. So, let's transform your garden into a colorful retreat that's ready to burst into life at the first signs of spring. Early blooming plants are not just a feast for the eyes, they're essential for early pollinators emerging from winter's grasp. By choosing the right species, you contribute to the local ecosystem while enjoying a garden full of life and color. Chapter 1. Top 15 Early Blooming Perennials. 1. Crocus. One of the first signs of spring, these vibrant little flowers push through the snow, offering a variety of colors. 2. Hellebore, Lenten Rose. Blooming in late winter to early spring, hellebores provide elegant, cup-shaped flowers in shades of white, green, pink, and purple. 3. Primrose. Bright and cheerful, primroses offer a rainbow of colors and are perfect for adding a splash of early spring color. 4. Pansies. Hardy and vibrant, pansies can handle the chill of early spring and come in almost every color imaginable. 5. Daffodil. Symbolizing rebirth, these sunny blooms are a classic choice for an early spring show. 6. Hyacinth. With their intoxicating fragrance and variety of colors, hyacinths are perfect for borders or as focal points. 7. Snowdrop. Among the first flowers to bloom, snowdrops are a delicate symbol of hope. 8. Winter. Aconite. Blooming with bright yellow flowers, these are often the very first signs of spring. 9. Bleeding Heart. Known for its heart-shaped flowers, it starts blooming in late spring, offering a unique look. 10. Iris. Dwarf varieties. Early blooming irises bring a touch of blue, purple, and yellow to the garden. 11. Forsythia. Not a perennial, but an early bloomer worth mentioning. Forsythia shrubs dazzle with bright yellow flowers. 12. Tulips. While not the earliest, some varieties are bred to bloom as soon as the weather starts warming. 13. Anemone. These charming flowers offer a variety of colors and usually bloom in early spring. 14. Lungwort. With its unique spotted leaves and clusters of blue, pink, or white flowers, lungwort thrives in shady spots. 15. Pasque flower. Offering a range of pastel hues, these fuzzy flowers are perfect for rock gardens. Chapter 2. Top 15 Early Blooming Shrubs. 1. Forsythia. A harbinger of spring, Forsythia's bright yellow blooms are a must-have for an early spring garden. 2. Witch hazel. Blooming in late winter to early spring, witch hazel provides fragrant, spidery flowers in yellow, orange, or red. 3. Rhododendron, early varieties. Some varieties bloom early, offering spectacular displays of color and large, beautiful flowers. 4. Azalea, early varieties. Similar to rhododendrons, early varieties of azaleas light up the garden with vivid colors. 5. Camellia. Depending on the variety, camellias can bloom from fall to spring, adding elegance with their rose-like flowers. 6. Magnolia, early varieties. The stunning blooms of early magnolias are a sight to behold, with varieties offering white, pink, and purple flowers. 7. Lilac, early varieties. While most bloom a bit later, early varieties of lilac can bring fragrance and color to the spring garden. 8. Quince. Blooming with bright pink, red, or orange flowers, quince is a beautiful addition that precedes its fruit. 9. Pussy willow. A sign of early spring, the fuzzy catkins of pussy willow are perfect for adding texture to your garden. 10. Redbud tree. Not a shrub, but its early pink blooms along the branches are an incredible sight in early spring. 11. Spirea, early varieties. Some spirea species bloom in early spring, offering cascades of white or pink flowers. 12. Viburnum, early varieties. Early blooming viburnums can provide fragrant and beautiful clusters of flowers. 13. Pieris japonica, known as Japanese Andromeda, this shrub offers cascades of bell-shaped flowers and attractive foliage. 14. Mahonia, Oregon grape. Offering early spring blooms of bright yellow flowers, it's perfect for shady spots. 15. Cornelian cherry, dogwood. An early bloomer with yellow star-shaped flowers, followed by edible red fruit. Incorporating early blooming perennials and shrubs into your garden not only ensures a vibrant start to the gardening season, but also supports the local ecosystem by providing much-needed nourishment for early pollinators. By selecting some of the 30 plants we've highlighted today, you can create a spring garden that's alive with color, fragrance, and life right from the start. So, which of these spring bloomers will you be adding to your garden? Share your plans in the comments below, and let's make this spring the most colorful one yet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Garden Club for more insightful gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!